the Gravotech range of laser machine. This is Z-Morph for the 3D. I will let Mr. Eli to introduce the Z-Morph after. I will take care of the laser, okay? So in the laser you have two types of machine. You have what we call the galvo head. So it's a small area, but it's really quick in terms of engraving. I'll just make a quick demo. I will show you how it works. So using our software, I'll just put the name. I'll send the job to the machine. It's wireless. Huh? It's blinking. And I will start the job. And you can see how fast it is. Yeah. So this is basically what we call galvo. This is a CO2, so mainly for organic material. Wood, plastic, rubber, leather, for example. This one is the same concept, but it's a fiber. And the fiber can handle all type of metal, stainless steel, brass, even the gold type of material. It's also a type of laser, but it's called the gantry. Yeah. It works like a printer, X, Y, and Z axis. So basically here what we're showing is how to cut piece of wood. Yeah. Okay? Everything is designed on our software, which you can see on the computer at the back. It's a CAD/CAM software that we produce for our laser machine. Okay, so basically you can do all type of design, and you can end up doing this kind of jobs. So using a piece of wood or acrylic like this, the student, creative student, they can start designing in the software separate elements and then assemble it into such kind of jobs.
Presenting digital fabrication platform which helps students to create their own design, but it is important that the same design can be manufactured in different ways. So this is an ideal platform for them to experiment with their ideas. Not only it helps with 3D printing, but it also helps in CNC, which is woodworking and plastic, and then you can change the extruder and convert it into a laser machine also. And then it can also extend to chocolate printing. So in one platform you can get different variation, and you can see the same product in different materials, and it helps them to understand about material science. So this is the best tool for makerspace, Fab Lab, and education. That's how we teach, design thinking. Yeah, thank you.
Some samples, or these are samples?
Yeah, so if you see, this is basically done in plastic.
Yeah.
So it makes layer by layer,
yeah.
And then once finally is completed, then you will get your end product.
Okay.
And these are very fine examples of how we can use 3D printing as a technology, but then you can use CNC as making fine materials. Then you can make PCB design for electronics. So in one platform, you can have different aspects of product design and then convert into a full idea. That's how we encourage creativity and digital fabrication.